Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital deals you can do Saturday, August 7th using the 5 off 25 coupon. So if you want to see what deals I have for you today, just keep watching. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once the screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you are ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an Airwick oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent, because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some You Buy Kotex and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Okay, let's jump right into our scenarios here. We're going to buy one Gain liquid detergent for $4.95. We're going to use that $2 off one Gain detergent digital coupon. We're going to buy one Gain fabric softener for $3.95. We're going to use that $2 off one Gain fabric softener digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners. We're going to make sure they're Gain scented. They're $3 each. We're going to use that $1 off 2 Mr. Clean products digital coupon. We're going to buy one Febreze small spaces, make sure it's Gain scented. We're going to use the $1 off one Febreze product digital coupon. We're going to buy one Gain dryer sheet, 60 count for $3. We're going to pick up one of the Always Discreet liners, the 26 count for $3. We're going to use the $2 off one Always Discreet liner digital coupon. We're going to pick up one Always Radiant pads for $4. We're going to use the $1.50 off one Always pads digital coupon. Then we're going to make sure that 5 off 20 Gain digital coupon is clipped to our account. Also, make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. You're going to head up to the register, The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will be $27.90. You'll enter your telephone number on the keypad. $19.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $8.40. Okay, moving on to our next scenario. We're going to pick up one Gain Flings 24 count for $6.95. We're going to use that $2 off one Gain digital coupon. We're going to buy one Gain fabric softener for $6.95. We're going to use the $2 off one Gain fabric softener digital coupon. We're going to pick up two of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners, Gain scented, for $3 each. We're going to use the $1 off two Mr. Clean products digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of the Febreze small spaces, Gain scented as well, $3. We're going to use the $1 off one Febreze product digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one Downy citrus and vanilla softener. It's the blue bottle with the yellow lid. They're $2.95. We're going to use the $2 off one Downy digital coupon. We're going to make sure that 5 off 20 Gain purchase digital coupon is clipped to our account, and we're also going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. Now you're going to head on up to the checkout. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will be $25.85. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $18 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $7.85. Okay, for this next scenario, we're going to pick up one Gillette Mach 3 razor for $6.25. We're going to use the $4 off one Gillette razor digital coupon. We're going to buy one Downy cotton fabric softener for $5.95. We're going to use the $3 off one Downy fabric softener digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one Chic classic razor for $4. We're going to clip that $3 off one Chic razor digital coupon. Then we're going to buy two of the Snuggle In-Wash scent boosters. They're $4 each. We're going to use the $3 off two Snuggle All digital coupon. Then we're going to buy two of the Clorox disinfecting wipes. They're in the $1 aisle. They're $1 each. We're going to use the $1 off two Clorox wipes digital coupon. And we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. As usual, we're going to head on up to the checkout. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come up to $26.20. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $19 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $7.20. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to pick up one of the Downy citrus and vanilla scents. It's the blue one with the yellow top again. They're $2.95. We're going to use the $2 off one Downy fabric digital coupon. We're going to buy one Lysol wipe in the $1 aisle. We're going to use a 50-cent off one Lysol digital coupon. We're going to pick up one of the Naked Juice drinks. They're $2.50. We're going to clip that $1.50 off one Naked Juice digital coupon. We're going to buy two Caress body bars, the 3 counts, for $2.75 each. We're going to use the $2 off two Caress products digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 3 bags of the Bugles. They're on sale this week. Buy 2, get 1 free. They're $1 each. We're going to use the 50-cent off 2 Bugle digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one Gain liquid softener. This is the $3 bottle. We're going to use the $2 off one Gain fabric softener digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 Charmin Essentials toilet paper. They're $4.95 each. On your account, there should be 2 $1 off one Charmin toilet paper digital coupons. So you're going to clip both of those. And then, of course, you're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. Here are those 2 Charmin digital coupons that you're going to clip. This is when you're going to head up to the cash register. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $27.85. Enter your telephone number at the keypad. $16.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $11.35. And moving right along to a next deal is a diaper deal. It's a super easy deal. You're going to go in and pick up 4 bags of the Loves diapers. They're $6.50 each. We're going to clip the $3.50 off 2 Loves digital coupon. We're also going to clip the $2 off 1 Loves digital coupon. We're going to clip the $1.50 off 1 Loves digital coupon. And of course, we're going to clip that 5 off 25. You're going to take all those diapers up to the cashier. She's going to ring them up. It's going to come to $26 even. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $12 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $14, which is $3.50 a bag. And as you can see, here are my digital coupons for the Loves. There's 3 of them. I know some people have different amounts, so just see which ones you have. Make sure you have a digital coupon for each of them. Make sure you clip that 5 off 25 as well. Okay guys, that's all the deals I have for you today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to come by and watch my video. If you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. If you're not yet subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, turn notifications to all so you get notification anytime I post a video. I haven't been posting videos lately. I have a Where the Heck Have I Been video coming up, but I gotta get it all out there for you. It's been rough. But I'll have that coming. Lots has happened in the world of Erica. I could start my own reality show, I sometimes think. But anyways, I'll have a Where Have I Been video coming up soon. I just want to go ahead and start getting back into couponing videos. I have been couponing while I've been gone, but I just haven't been posting videos. Thank you to all the people who didn't unsubscribe to me. Thanks to all the people who have checked up on me, checked in on me, added me on Facebook as a friend. I appreciate it all. I appreciate the messages, the love and the care, and I'm going to do what I can do. I could do some storytime videos and make the Kardashians look like saints. But anyways, I'm going to jump off here. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.